To add an internal vehicle, click on Vehicle tab and choose Add Internal Vehicle. Select the vehicle group of the vehicle you wish to add. Enter relevant details. These fields can also be modified in vehicle settings. You may also upload files here. Once done, click Save. Click List All to see the list of all vehicles. Otherwise, select the other list with the specific vehicle group. To add a new vehicle, click this Add button, and choose the vehicle group. You may use the columns, entries and search function to modify this page's display. To check the details of the vehicle, click on Vehicle Name. Activities of the vehicle are shown here. Click Check Summon Fines to check if there are any existing ones. Summon and fines are shown here. You may edit and deactivate vehicles using these functions. Click on the movement calendar icon to check the historical movement of the vehicle. Vehicle movements are displayed here in a calendar. Furthermore, you may check other lists aside from this. Click on these tabs to see on hold or inactive vehicles. To see all customer vehicles, click the list Customer Vehicles. Click on the Add Customer Vehicle to add a new one. Type in the relevant information. You may also add new customers here. Choose whether the customer is a company or an individual. Fill in with relevant information, then click Save. Once you're done, click on the Save button. You may verify the details here. Similarly, you may edit and check summons here. The added customer vehicles are displayed here. You may also access vehicle details by clicking on the vehicle name here. You may edit or delete vehicles using the buttons here. To locate a vehicle, click on Locate Vehicle tab and type in the latitude and longitude, and then click Search. The results are displayed on the map here. To trace a vehicle, click on the Trace Vehicle tab, then click on this drop-down to choose a vehicle. Select the date, and then click on the Submit button. Vehicle activities are displayed on this calendar. Scroll to zoom in or zoom out.